Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer GoPro Multicam into Adobe Premiere, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by inserting your SD card into your computer. Open the File Explorer and navigate to the GoPro folder. Locate the multi-camera footage from your recent shoot. Create a new folder on your desktop for easier access. Copy and paste the multicam files into the new folder. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Create a new project and name it appropriately. In the Project panel, right-click and select Import. Navigate to the folder where you saved the GoPro files. Select all the multi-camera clips you want to import. Click Open to bring them into your project. Once imported, drag the clips to the timeline in sequence. Select all the clips on the timeline. Right-click and choose Create Multi-Camera Source Sequence. In the dialog box, select the synchronization method you prefer. Click OK to create the multi-camera source sequence. Now, drag this new sequence to a new timeline. In the Program Monitor, click on the Toggle Multicamera button. You can now switch between cameras while playing back the sequence. Adjust your cuts as needed for the final edit. Once satisfied, proceed with your usual editing process. Export your final video when completed. Your GoPro multi-camera footage is now successfully transferred and edited in Adobe Premiere. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.